Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into IRS Direct Pay, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type IRS Direct Pay and press enter. Click on the official link to the IRS Direct Pay page from the search results. Once the page loads, look for the Make a Payment option. Click on the Make a Payment button. You will see various payment options listed. Select the reason for your payment from the drop-down menu. Next, enter your personal information as prompted. This includes your name, social security number, and address. After filling out your information, click on the Continue button. You will be redirected to the payment confirmation page. Review all the details you have entered for accuracy. If everything looks correct, proceed to the next step. Now, enter your bank account information for the payment. This includes your bank routing number and account number. Once you have entered the bank details, click on Continue. You will receive a summary of your payment information. Double-check all the information once more. If everything is correct, click on the Submit button. You will see a confirmation page indicating that your payment is in process. Take note of the confirmation number provided. This number will be important for your records. You can now log out or close the browser once you have saved your confirmation. That's it. You have successfully logged in and made a payment using IRS Direct Pay. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.